In front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can find all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app code files that's already on your Redmi. It should be in a Google folder. This one. Once you find it, tap on it, and then select the Downloads category after hitting Allow. All of my downloads are over here. Now, to open one, click on it on the left. To manage it, use all of those options at the top right corner, or click on those three dots on the right. To manage multiple ones, you can click on those dots at the top right corners to pick multiple, or hold one and click on all of the ones you want to manage. Then do whatever you want to using those options at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!